Hello friends! Welcome to all those who are connected to my channel. Today I have brought you a new video again, Best Battery Tester, which is discussed in detail in this video, and I hope watch this video from beginning to end. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. VDIAGTOOL Car Battery Tester. Know your battery before it dies. Why risk being stranded? Test your car battery like a pro today. BT300 Car Battery Tester is your ultimate 6V/12V battery diagnostic solution for car, motorcycle. This professional-grade automotive battery tester delivers instant, comprehensive analysis, checking voltage, load, internal resistance, ripple, SOC, SOH, CCA, and charging/cranking performance, all before battery failure strikes. All you need is just a powerful car battery load tester. 12V automotive. Wide compatibility. Universal 6V/12V battery testing made simple. The BT300 battery tester automotive works with virtually any lead-acid battery, VRLA or SLA, AGM, GL, LSI from 5 to 3000 cc, perfect for car, motorcycle, truck, SUV, boat, and more. Enjoy precision adjustments with flexible CC settings, 5 or 50, for ultra-accurate results. One 12-volt car battery tester for all your vehicles. Accurate, fast, and reliable. Note: not compatible with lithium battery or golf cart deep cycle battery. Reliable battery testers. Get instant, precise battery test with 12V Auto Battery Tester. This digital battery analyzer delivers a real-time voltage waveform for detailed monitoring, while instantly measuring voltage, internal resistance, CCA, SOH, and SOC, all in one test. Whether your battery is in vehicle or out, the 6-volt car battery tester provides smart, actionable advice, recharge or replace, to prevent unexpected failure. No more guesswork, just fast, accurate result and peace of mind. Cranking and charging test. Beyond battery testing, this car battery tester and alternator starter tester performs cranking tests to check whether the starter motor is cranking properly or not, and charging test of the alternator to prevent overcharge or incomplete charge. No more surprise breakdowns, just reliable power when you need it most. For accurate results, please simply turn off all electrical devices and ensure correct battery type, standard, CC value during testing. Fast test and 99.99% accuracy. Get lightning fast, lab-grade accuracy with this battery analyzer tester, delivering reliable result with 99.99% precision in seconds. The plug-and-play battery checker tester features a 2.8 HD TFT display for crystal clear reading, one-touch testing/review/waveform analysis, and intuitive LED health indicators. Green equal good, yellow equal normal, red equal poor. Connect the small car battery tester with the computer for printing, perfect for quick diagnostic or detailed report. Number 2. MOTOPOWER MP0515 A 12V Car Battery Load Tester. The MOTOPOWER MP0515 A 12V Car Battery Load Tester is a practical and reliable tool designed to help vehicle owners and technicians quickly evaluate battery health and overall charging system performance. One of its strongest advantages is its wide testing range of 100 to 2000 cc, cold cranking amps, which makes it suitable for most 12V automotive batteries, including regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, and GEL batteries. This versatility ensures it can be used on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and even some marine batteries. A major benefit of the MP0515 is its ability to test not only the battery condition, but also the cranking and charging systems. By analyzing these three key areas, users can detect problems early, before they result in unexpected breakdowns. The device provides fast and accurate digital results, allowing users to determine whether a battery needs replacement or simply recharging. This can save money by preventing unnecessary battery purchases. Another positive aspect is its user-friendly design. The tester typically features a clear LCD display and intuitive operation, making it accessible even for beginners. The built-in safety protections, such as reverse polarity and over-voltage protection, enhance safe usage and reduce the risk of damage to the vehicle or the device itself. Durability is also a strong point. Built with sturdy materials and heavy-duty clamps, the tester is designed for regular garage or workshop use. Its compact and lightweight construction makes it easy to store and carry. Overall, the MOTOPOWER MP0515A offers convenience, cost savings, and peace of mind. By providing accurate battery diagnostics and system checks, it helps users maintain their vehicles more effectively and avoid sudden starting failures, especially during cold weather conditions. Number 3. KONNWEI KW208-12V Car Battery Tester. Reliable automotive car battery tester KW208 is the most cost-effective battery load tester compared to other brands. It has all the functions you need and the lowest cost that you can afford. KW208 can test all 12V batteries 100-2000 CCA, including regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, or gel batteries. Provide overall analysis of batteries' condition and help you know their status in advance before it dies. KW208 Battery Analyzer supports cranking and charging system tests, also alternator and starter test. Conveniently store this car battery tester for batteries in your glove box or garage, ready for use whenever needed. Galvanized alloy battery clips. This battery tester has updated its clips since 2025. Thanks for the galvanized alloy battery clips. It's more durable, also bring longer contact when connected with battery. It greatly improved the testing accuracy, 99.7% also. Safer with fully wrapped material. KW208 12V battery load tester gives you reliable and overall battery parameters such as voltage, internal resistance, cold cranking amp, and capacity, battery health and charge status. Additionally, Battery CK Tester will also show you professional advice whether to replace or recharge the battery. NEW replacement available for ANCEL quality issue. Greater than 99.7% high accuracy thanks to KW208 meters powerful and smart AI chip. It provides more than 99.7% precise testing results within milliseconds, greatly improving the testing speed and testing accuracy compared to other battery testers. Besides, KW208 is the only battery tester that has over 7,000 plus rating and is the most reliable and popular car battery tester on Amazon. Plug-and-play KW208 12-volt battery load tester and analyzer allows you to test batteries both in vehicle and out of vehicle, and even test dead batteries. Just connect the tester's clips with battery, then it will turn on and be ready to test and analyze battery. It's that easy. Definitely KW208 is your best choice, for there is no need to spend more expensive cost to purchase battery testers as their functions are the same. Starter and alternator tester KW208, not only a great car battery load tester that tests batteries' cranking and charging system, but also can test alternators' charging and starters' cranking conditions. And it can also switch up to 8 languages for different needs. Number 4. ANCEL B101 Pro Car Battery Tester. 12V and 24V battery tester. The ANCEL B101 PRO steps up as your ultimate diagnostic partner, engineered to master both 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries, providing SOH, SOC, voltage, internal resistance, CCA, and charge data. Compatible with CCA, IEC, EN, SAE, DIN standards in vehicles like cars, 24V trucks, RVs, boats, tractors for optimal performance. Upgraded 2.8 smart colored display featuring a 2.8 TFT high contrast color screen. This tester delivers vibrant, clear visuals that make battery data easy to interpret, even in direct sunlight or dim workshop lighting. The user-friendly layout makes complex data easy to understand for both professionals and DIY users. 3 essential tests in seconds: battery health test checks voltage, CCA, and capacity to reveal battery condition. Cranking test monitors voltage drop during startup to pinpoint weak batteries or starter issues. Charging test measures alternator output to detect undercharge or overcharge, giving you a complete diagnostic solution for reliable driving. Safe and secure testing built in reverse polarity and short circuit protection keep both you and your battery safe, even with wrong connections. Upgraded clamps offer stronger grip and better insulation for worry-free testing. User-friendly design. Enjoy true plug-and-play use with no external charging or battery required. Store over 1,400 detailed test records, replay 120-second voltage waveforms for trend analysis, and connect via the Type-C for printing diagnostic reports. The intuitive interface supports 13 languages, including English, Chinese, and German, making it ideal for global workshops and users. Your assurance on the road. The B101 Pro is more than an instrument. It's a strategic asset for anyone who depends on their vehicles. Whether managing a commercial fleet, preparing for a long-haul RV journey, or ensuring family cars are winter-ready, it delivers the supreme confidence that comes from knowing your electrical system is in peak condition. Give the gift of reliability and professional-grade assurance. Driver installation. For printing. To use the printing function, you need to install the printing software designed specifically for this tester on your PC. Since it is a dedicated program for our product, it is temporarily not listed in mainstream security databases. This may trigger a standard safety alert from Windows Defender or other antivirus software. This is completely normal. The software is 100% secure. Simply select Allow, Trust, or Run to proceed with the installation. Number 5. MOTOPOWER Digital Car Battery Tester. Effortless operation. Boasting a plug-and-test design, there's no need for complex setup procedures. Just connect it to the battery following simple steps. Without starting the vehicle, you can read the battery status, and after starting, quickly obtain the alternator status. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an ordinary car owner, you can easily use it to quickly determine if the battery needs jump, starting replacement, or if the alternator output is normal. Reliable safety features. Equipped with reverse connection protection and over-voltage protection functions. Even if you accidentally connect the positive and negative poles wrongly or encounter excessive voltage, it can effectively safeguard the tester in the vehicle circuit, greatly reducing the risks caused by operational errors and making users feel more at ease. Precise testing results. Fitted with a 4-digit digital LCD display, it offers voltage testing accuracy up to 0.01 volts, providing accurate voltage readings. Additionally, it comes with 8 colored LED indicators that intuitively show the status of the battery or the alternator. The dual indication design makes test results clear and easy to understand, offering a precise basis for judging the conditions of the battery and charging system. Wide compatibility. The testing voltage range spans from 4 to 20 VDC, suitable for detecting the voltage of 12V car batteries and various other devices. The 50 centimeters long extension cable, combined with 30A alligator clips, enables convenient and flexible connections, adapting to different testing scenarios. Durable and comfortable design. The surface of the device is treated with black rubber paint, offering a comfortable hand feel and a stable grip that's not easy to slip. Its compact design and light weight of only 150 grams make it easy to carry and store. Whether placed in the car for emergencies or in a professional toolbox, it takes up little space and ensures long-term reliability.